Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to check graphic card in Windows. Okay, so let's start. First is you need to go to this Windows icon here and do a right click and just simply scroll up to locate for device manager. Once you open your device manager, just maximize it by clicking the bar icon here and look for display adapters. Okay, just simply click the arrow icon here to see more and just choose any of the graphic cards that you have. In my case, I have only one, so I'm going to this. So just have to do a right click and update driver. Here you can manually and automatically search for drivers. First is let's go to automatically for drivers. I mean, search for automatically for drivers, okay? Here, if your computer says that the best driver for your device is already installed, then just simply go to search for updated drivers in Windows Update, okay? So, the estimated time of updating Windows will be maybe 7 to 10 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the internet that you are connecting, okay? So after that, just you can also manually install a driver. Then go to this, let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And here it will show a new screen. You just have to select one by one the graphic cards that's present in your computer. So in my case, I have only two graphic cards. Just have to select one by one and click on next and then install. And after that, let's see if it's still not working in your issue. Let's say if it doesn't fix your issue, then select the second one and then click on next and then install the driver. Okay? But let's say if it still doesn't work, then you can simply visit the manufacturer and let's say if you have Dell, Lenovo, or HP, you just have to visit the website of the manufacturer and then copy this graphic title and then search for it and then install it. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.